In this video, we will show you how to enter your PIN on both Trezor models. Model 1 uses a so-called blind matrix. You are presented with 9 tiles on your computer screen and 9 numbers on your Trezor device. Simply match the position of the individual digits in the 3x3 PIN matrix by clicking on the corresponding tile with your mouse. Here is the example of entering the PIN 1, 2, 3, 4. You can set the maximum PIN length to 50 digits on both devices. The position of numbers on your Trezor is randomly shuffled every time you are prompted to enter the PIN. This improves security since the position of the numbers is never the same. Remember, numbers will be shuffled also while setting up your PIN for the first time when you have to confirm the same PIN twice. The same randomization happens even when entering an incorrect PIN, as you can see here. After each incorrect entry, there is a designated period of time before you can attempt to input the PIN again. This is 1 second for the first time and multiplies by 2 after every wrong attempt, as you can see in this example. For Model T, the touchscreen is used. If you made an error and wish to retype a digit, use the yellow tile with an arrow in the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you enter the PIN, tap the green tile with a checkmark in the bottom right part of the screen to confirm it. Tapping the red tile with a lock will lock the device and discard your ongoing attempt to unlock the PIN. The same shuffle and wait time rules apply as for Model 1. Remember, you have 16 tries in total to enter your PIN correctly. After 16 wrong attempts, the device will be wiped for security. Then you will have to use your recovery seed to restore your wallet and set a new PIN. The waiting time after the 15th attempt is around 9 hours, so if you forgot your PIN, consider resetting your device right away by entering bootloader mode. For the Model T, swipe your finger across the screen and connect the cable at the same time. For the Model 1, press and hold the left button and connect the cable. Then enter the device settings and select factory reset. Only do this if you have your recovery seed available. Remember that PIN ensures the physical security of your wallet. It is extremely difficult to brute force a strong PIN because of our security features. Also, keep in mind that while the PIN can be reset at any time, it is not enough to recover your wallet since it protects your device physically but is not related to your coins on the blockchain. See the links in the description for more information and security tips. Hopefully, this video helped you understand how to enter the PIN on your Trezor devices. Thanks for watching.